Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So I actually need your help. I've come across a $2 coin here, which is the one on the right, that doesn't quite look normal to me, and the one on the left is an uncirculated coin of the same year. So they're both $2 coins. Now, up above it, we've got the 1988 5-cent coin. And you can see there that they're very close to the same size. There's only a very, very slight difference in the two coins. Now, normally I've come across coins that certainly have a double rim around the $2 coin, and sure enough, it's just an error coin, but it's nothing really special. And I do have one off to the side here. I'll just try and hold the camera as steady as I can, but you can see there that this particular one is like a double sort of rim around it, which is fairly common for $2 coins. But if you look at the way that the $2 coin, that's typical of the way that $2 coins look when they have this doubling, and some of them are far greater than that. But this particular coin has a rim on the inside, and in some ways it's very similar to that of the $1 mule, but I just don't know if it is anything special at all. Whether it was muled with a 5-cent coin, I don't know, and I don't want to say it is. But I'd love to have your feedback on it. If you look at the two coins side by side, you can certainly see a few differences, but I'll try and get in as close as I can so you guys can have a good look at it, but I really want your opinion on it. And I'll just try and keep it in focus as best I can. But you can sort of see what's going on there. It's very strange the way that this particular coin has that sort of doubling edge around it. Which does remind me of the way that the mules look. And if you look at the standard, you can see that bit of space around the edge there, around the writing. Because the size is so similar, I really can't tell if there's any difference or not. So yeah, I'm really hoping that someone watching can possibly give some sort of feedback on it. I'll try and just turn it around a little bit. Yeah, it's just a very strange one. It's like nothing I've seen before. No other $2 coin I've seen has been so centered in the way that this one is. I'll try and change the angle a little bit, and maybe it helps to view it a little bit differently. It's perfectly normal on the opposite side, yeah, it's not in too bad a condition either for its age. I do have some older 1988 $2 coins here, which I'll just try and bring that in to shot. And I've probably got about 6 or 7 of them, and they all are similar grade, but definitely don't have that double rim around them. So I'll just turn that one around again. So there's a bit of a comparison, between the three coins. But yeah, if you have any knowledge of what's going on there, I'd love to have your feedback on it, because I'm certainly stumped. And please leave a comment. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Have a good day.